guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so shut this for a second. Oh, I have scissors in it. That's fine. Okay, so we're in the refrigerator. Take number 1. Okay, take number 2. We're in the kitchen today, and this is my kitchen. If you guys have not seen it before, this is the refrigerator part of it. Okay, we're looking at we are looking at the refrigerator today, and we're looking down here. So I'm going to be organizing this part up to right here of stuff. Oh, you can't see that because of that. So this one is ham, this one's cheese, and I'll be organizing that. I'm not going to be taking out all the packages, but yeah. I already did some when I got the cheese sticks. And I organized the cheese sticks. You guys are probably like, oh, this girl's like one of those organized people. Yes, I am. I love to be organized. Like, I absolutely love to be organized. Okay. I'm gonna pause that. Okay. There we go. They're like yelling. Alright, I have to get it back perfectly. Let's get the old drum. Okay. Oh, we have expired. June 21st, 2021. That's yucky. June 8th. This is brand new. We never ate it. June 8th, 2001. Okay, I'm going to check some of these to make sure. I'll be right back because I'm going to look at all the expired stuff. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Cut to me when I'm done looking at expired stuff. Okay, I'm going to do a cool transition. Okay. Oh. Retake. Back. There was a whole entire cinnamon roll thing. September. It's past September, isn't it? Okay. I was just caught in my head. Sorry. Okay. Wait. Wasn't this expired? I didn't know what this said. That's inverted. Okay. Whatever. We'll move on with our life. Alright, I'm going to put all the fruit cups in front like here. Guess what I'm doing. This is only if you have a bunch of fruit cups. And gel packs. Or you can obviously use these with snack packs. This was June 12th, 2021. What is this called? Not Go-Gurts. What is it called? Can you not beep at me right now? I'm filming a YouTube video. Fudge. Let's get those off the thing. Okay, you can use these. What are they called? Pudding! Pudding! Pudding. Oh, fudge. Sorry. This is March 5th, 2021. And you can use this with applesauce. And cinnamon rolls, I guess. Okay. And you can use these type of yogurts. And spreadable cheese. Cream cheese. Okay. We're back. Yeah, get out. I'm going to put these in front. I'll show you guys in a minute when I'm done. Oh, yeah, Carter Lee Shepherd, if you are watching this, my mom said she never said that you couldn't eat. She just didn't know it. So, yeah. Go over. For these types of yogurts, put it sideways. I'm gonna grab my other one. Where's it at? What is clapping gonna help with it? Can't speak today either. Just can't speak. And then what else do I have to add? Fruit cup up here. I'm gonna put fruit cup right here. And then I'm gonna start my Jello. And then I'm gonna add my yogurt. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I don't want to close that. This is probably gonna get jigged a little bit, but will redo it. Last time I hit my head and I undid the video, so let's not doing that. This is what it looks like right here, the string cheese. And then this is what it looks like all together. Oh shoot, I can't get everything in there. There we go. Right here is butter. Right here is what is it called? String cheese. Right here is Jello. Okay, I can't. Oh, this is what a big forehead I have. I'm secure about my forehead. Forehead check. My hairline is up to right here. I look like Megamind. Megamind. Oh, for this, you just put it in right here, and it fits in perfectly. But I'm not using that because that was in September. It's October. I should probably stuff in September could be okay because we. Excuse me. Whatever. I have to pause the video. Are you not beeping at me? My mom's gone. That's what I like to do. My mom's gone. Please, God, don't show her this. Gosh, don't show her this. Okay. I think I did pretty good. Okay. Just gonna put this over. You know it's your girl. Okay, good. We got to that part. Now it's time to do the top part. We're gonna start with ham. Look up the dates. Just like I said, this is gonna take a long time. Oh, those are wieners. So, quick transitions. I hope I get this. Well, I hope I remember that. Okay, bye. Bye. No, bye. Just for a little bit. I need to look at the dates. Bye. No! I need to look at the dates for a minute. Just a second. I remembered, and it looks like everything in there was clean. So I'm going to wipe this out because it's a little bit disgusting. All it does look like it's just like crumbs. Where's the camera? So like right here. So all it is just crumbs. Oh my god. Oh my god. One was October 27th, and I was like, wait, that's coming up, so we got to eat fast. It was really good too, because it was like maple sausage. It was really good. Oh, I need Clorox wipes. I don't know where those are at. I usually can't fit. They're usually under here. Yep, just as I figured. Just as I figured. Disinfecting wipes. Disinfecting wipes. Okay, nobody turn that into a meme. I'm a nice little girl. But I can beat you up. I did that in the girls' bathroom, and they go, "Oh my gosh." I go, "Yep, I'm sweet, but I sure am not the muscles." Okay, not to be strong. I'm not strong. Okay, I can't even lift up like a. What just dies, my cat? We're gonna go inspect.